In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section header in a task subtask list. To get started, open the task you want to work on so the detailed side panel appears on your screen. This is important because the subtasks list you need is located inside that panel. Once the task details are open, take a moment to find the subtasks area before moving on. Having the correct panel open will make the next steps much easier and help avoid editing the wrong part of your workspace. When you're in the subtasks list area, there are two simple ways to begin creating a section header. The first option is to press Tab and N on your keyboard. This opens a new line in the right place so you can start organizing your subtasks more clearly. If you prefer, there's also another method. You can type a line of text that ends with a colon. Adding the colon is what signals that this line should become a section style label rather than a regular subtask. This is useful when you want to group related subtasks under a shared heading and make the list easier to scan. After you've entered that line, press Enter. As soon as you do, the line will be converted into a section header. This gives you a clean visual divider inside the subtasks list, which can be especially helpful if your task contains several smaller pieces of work. Instead of keeping everything in one long list, you can separate items into logical groups, making the task easier to manage and easier for others to understand at a glance. Once the section header has been created, the final step is to drag the relevant subtasks underneath it. As you move those subtasks below the new header, you're effectively organizing them into that section. Try to place only the related items there so each section stays clear and meaningful. This can make a big difference when you're working on more detailed projects because it helps create structure without changing the actual work items themselves. That's all there is to it. Open the task details, create a new line in the subtasks area, turn it into a section header by pressing Enter, and then drag your subtask underneath it. It's a quick way to keep your work organized, improve readability, and make larger task lists feel much more manageable.